Hey friends, if you wish to change the screen resolution on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display and now scroll down. In the display resolution section, we have one as a recommended value and the rest is all this list. But if you want more detail about this, I will always suggest the recommended value. But if you want more detail about this, like the FPS and all, so click on advanced display and then click on display adapter for display one. And in the adapter tab, which is a default tab, click on list all modes. And now we have this one, like this is 1920 by 1080 32-bit 60 hertz. So it will give you all the details if you want these details, and these are all the modes. It's similar to the list which you saw in the general display section. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.